What's up, you guys? This is Laura Chubbs and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm opening up about why I haven't been posting. So the reason for that being is because of my health and my acid reflux lately. I had the procedure done July 31st. They didn't find anything wrong. My gastroenterologist told me that my T4 was low, and I had to get that checked out by my regular physician. And my physician had me get my blood work done. They told me that my T4 wasn't low, and but my vitamin D is low, and my cholesterol is super high. My cholesterol is at 250, and it should be below that. And so yeah, that's why I haven't been posting lately, is because of my health, and of course our money situation too. And I haven't been working, but yeah, so that's why. So anyway, thank you all for caring so much. I will try to post whenever I can, because I feel really bad for not giving you guys content lately. So I'll try my best to see if I can find anything to review or chug. And plus, you guys haven't been giving me any suggestions of what to chug or review. So please, you guys, I would love it if you would please give me some suggestions. So yeah, that's why. I'm sorry, you guys. I hope I'm not failing you guys. And yeah, I'll try my best to get back to you guys. I think I work this Saturday, so I'll try to find something to chug or whatever. Okay? Thanks, guys. So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, because there's more to come. Oh, and also, you guys, they do want me to see my gastroenterologist to get a new acid reflux pill, since the one I'm on is not working. But the thing is, my appointment is not till September 15th, because they're booked for this month. But anyways, you guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys whenever I can.